InvestorTurf is urging regulators to investigate tokenized securities, but why? Why is this coming up again? Well, an old video of Brett Harrison, former head of FTX US, explaining tokenized securities and stating that for every GameStop token, there is a corresponding GME share in that broker-dealer, essentially confirming it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Lottery stocks, this is an old video. Why are they urging now for tokenized securities to get investigated? Well, what's significant about Brett Harrison is this. Brett Harrison was working at Citadel from September of 2019 to May of 2021. And as you all know, AMC ran when? Right at the end of May, early June of 2021, where Citadel basically said, hey, listen, you know what? Go work for FTX because we need to shut this thing down fast. So Brett Harrison started working at FTX in May of 2021. AMC ran to $72 in June of 2021. And Harrison then says in an interview that FTX was selling tokens that were apparently backed 1-to-1 with shares. So everything that FTX was telling the public has been lies thus far. Was FTX manipulating the price of AMC via synthetic shares? Should Brett Harrison be investigated? Well, the answer is yes. We know that they were manipulating AMC and GameStop with fake tokenized shares. We saw those websites specifically selling tokens with a maximum supply of greater than the float of any given security. So the problem lies, Webull or Moomoo or E-Trade, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, whatever it may be, if they're backed 1-to-1 like Brett Harrison says, is this. The FTX is going to say, hey, listen, here are these securities backed 1-to-1 with real stock, right? These tokenized securities. And now you can unlimited short, right? You can short with an unlimited supply. See, the problem was back in 2021 when AMC was ripping, you had a limited amount you can short. Well, now, once this was created, selling tokens that didn't exist but were backed 1-to-1, let the brokers know, hey, there's more shares. Sure, you can short these shares. The risk is there, right? It's not bad, right? The broker's going to continue lending out shares greater than the float of any given company. In this case, AMC, 8 quadrillion tokenized shares. Now, just to dive a little bit deeper before we show you the video with Brett Harrison, specifically, Brett Harrison was head of semi-systematic technology at Citadel Securities, where he managed options, ETF, ADR, and OTC technology groups, which is huge. The fact that he got specifically pushed to FTX to work for FTX. He was a senior software developer at Headlands Technologies LLC, a privately funded global quantitative trading company that develops and implements quantitative trading strategies in exchange-traded financial products such as equities and other securities. He was the head of trading systems technology at Jane Street, where he led the firm's algorithmic trading system development, studied at Harvard, earning a BS and MS in computer science. It was through Harvard that Harrison would come intern at Jane Street. As an intern at Jane Street, Harrison started on the American Depository Receipts ADR desk as a trader. Here lies huge systematic risk. The amount of tokens that were issued may have affected several of thousands of different stock tickers, which will affect several brokerages, which will affect several institutions, several funds, several short sellers who went short, potentially exceeding different floats. Coming back to the point, this raises huge systematic risk. This is essentially a Ponzi scheme. Now here's a clip of Brett Harrison explaining it all.
Fully collateralized tokens. So, for every, one token of, GME share, there's of GME token, there's, a GME share in that German broker dealer, and people can trade those back and forth. Trading that token back and forth does not change the location of that stock. It's always with the broker dealer. Now, you can actually onboard directly to that German broker dealer and do a conversion of that stock to share, in which case then that broker dealer, based on its capabilities, can handle sort of transferring that stock.
Now guys, let me know, what do you think of this whole spiel? Did Citadel purposefully send this guy with an insane amount of expertise in several different sectors over to FTX to give them a way out, to give Citadel a way out of AMC, a way out of GameStop, and to push this thing into the floor? You let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like the video on your way out because I didn't ask yet. Hit that subscribe button. And also, I posted a video earlier giving the full update of this entire week, all of the important stuff that happened within the overall market, as well as my price prediction for AMC, GameStop, the S&P 500, and how I'm playing it. And then we also touch on banks and other stuff in that video as well. So make sure to go watch that. It's an important video. And here's my cat stepping in the screen again. I love when she's here, but she's a pain in the ass. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. Overall, guys, if you want to talk with me, get in the Discord. The link is right under the video. If you haven't seen the Discord trailer yet, here's a Discord trailer. Hey, welcome to Lottery Stock's Discord server, which is basically a huge group chat where we talk stocks and the stock market all day long, and I'm in there on the daily, so this is going to give you access to one-on-ones with me as well. Not to mention, we have additional integrations like options trading alerts from BarPot. Plus, something no creator is doing or has done is a built-in software where you can copy my trades with a click of a button, as well as modify your order. Each and every one of these things are all-inclusive with the Lottery Stocks Discord server, so get in now, let's talk stocks, and let's get financially free together. And also, guys, if you want up to 16 free stocks, do it before October is over because you can get a guaranteed free SoFi stock if you deposit $100. Use my link, sign up for Moomoo, make a deposit. A great platform to use and trade on that gives you access to free level 2 order book data, trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, a customizable earnings calendar, and more, as well as keeping your money insured. So go do that. Great broker to use. Both of those links are under the description and pinned in the top comments. Love you guys. Thank you so much for the support that you give me. Lottery Stocks out. Bro, no way my other cat is in this shot too. I literally did not set this up. Anyway, one more thing, guys. Bro, seriously? Are you dead ass? One more thing, guys. One of my friends asked me, yo, Lottery Stocks, what stock is gonna make me money? I need to put in $20 to $50. He doesn't know about stocks, but you know what? It's the weekend. It made me think, if I were to slap $50 into something tomorrow that wasn't a short squeeze play, what could it possibly be that I think will start to scale up? Of course, I said, you know, this amount going into any play isn't gonna make you a lot of money unless, of course, it's HKD or some crazy shit like that, but we don't have a play like that for tomorrow. If you do, drop it in the comments. While doing some quick looking where it's trading at, as well as how Bitcoin did over the weekend. The reason I did this is because Bitcoin trades over the weekend, so I figured it will give me an eye as to where these stocks are going to go. Look at Bitcoin, how it traded over the weekend, looking pretty good, going up for a retest on 35K. Plus, I think the market is going to scale up, so any ticker I really give will be a decent one. However, I think Riot, ticker symbol RIOT, and Mara, MARA, have a good shot at doing well Monday or next week. You know, he wanted to throw in some money to there. After just taking a quick look, I think Riot and Mara will be scaling up, and I do hold both of these. Just wanted to throw this in the end of the video because I found it interesting. If you guys were asked right now, hey, from friend to friend, what stock should I throw $50 at? Which stock would you tell them? Obviously, you could tell them AMC, right? But if they say, listen, you know, is there stock that's going to move in a week or so that I could put this in and then pull it out? What would you guys say? Let me know in the comments down below. Share this video. I have post notifications on. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.